Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How are you? I hope you're doing great. I'm a gadget girl. Are you a gadget person? Guy, girl, doesn't matter. I love gadgets. So I'm starting a whole new segment on all the different gadgets that I have, and I can show you some things that I use them for. So one of my favorites is this Starfrit Rotato Express. Okay, I still kept the box. I don't even know why. Super easy to clean, small, not huge. I do have a few larger gadgets, but you know, the thing is that you use them for certain things. I obviously use this for potatoes. My father, it was his favorite gadget in the world that my mother bought for us to have. When she loves something, she buys it for everybody. That's my mom. Now I do the same thing. And he loved it. And he would sit and peel her 500 potatoes for our holidays. And she makes all these delicious things. So you can check some of my recipes out that I did with my mom, some traditional ones that I use this machine for. And the great thing is that it's almost like a 2-for-1 because you peel the potato skins and you can make, that's what I'm getting at, potato skins, because they're so good for you. All the nutrients are in the skin. And of course, I love mashed potatoes or baked potatoes or roasted potatoes, like whatever, pan-fried potatoes, whatever you do. This machine is fast, efficient, and amazing. And we just love it. So I just put it on. It's a little fickle sometimes. And so I just started it. And you just let it go like that. And oops, don't drop it. But you can see, hold on, that you get these huge potato skins. Sometimes you just put it on like this. So I'm just going to show you, just put it on like that. I just had it on before. And then you tighten it so that it's nice and tight. And then you just push it on the red button. And it gets most of it. I mean, sometimes you have to put it on again. I'm not going to lie. And I made these mashed potatoes. This is all that's left because they're so super yummy. Check out my recipe and learn how to make my mashed potatoes. I'm not telling you everything in one video, but this is a great machine. Yes, you can use a regular peeler or a knife, but this is so much fun. I love things that are fun. It makes it more fun. And I do it with my daughter. My only tip is with, not my only tip, but one of my many tips is when you make your mashed potatoes, add the milk a little bit at a time, okay? And so you can make your potato skins, mashed potatoes, potato casseroles like my mother makes, a kugel, and whatever else, and enjoy this really fun machine. But you can check out Amazon, and it's just so much fun. It comes with different blades as well. And that's my gadget tip. I hope it helps you to enjoy something fun for a change. And that's it. All right. Love you guys. Wait for more gadget videos. Okay. Take care.